Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we share tips and tricks for a healthy lifestyle. In today's video, we'll be discussing the top 20 best high-protein, low-carb foods according to nutritionists. Protein is an essential nutrient that is required for building and repairing tissues, maintaining muscle mass, and keeping the immune system healthy. And a low-carb diet has been shown to aid in weight loss and managing blood sugar levels. Without further ado, let's dive into the top 20 best high-protein, low-carb foods. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is an excellent source of lean protein, low in carbs, and easy to prepare. It's also versatile and can be used in many dishes. Turkey breast. Turkey breast is another great source of lean protein, low in carbs, and rich in essential vitamins and minerals. Tuna. Tuna is a delicious and low-carb protein option, high in omega-3 fatty acids, and perfect for salads or sandwiches. Salmon. Salmon is a fatty fish high in protein and omega-3 fatty acids, making it a perfect low-carb protein source. Shrimp. Shrimp is an excellent protein source with zero carbs, low in calories, and quick to prepare. Beef. Beef is a nutrient-dense protein source, low in carbs, and rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Pork. Pork is a low-carb protein option that is rich in vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin B12, zinc, and iron. Eggs. Eggs are a perfect low-carb protein source, versatile, and packed with essential nutrients like choline, which is important for brain health. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is high in protein, low in carbs, and an excellent source of probiotics, which promote good gut health. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a low-carb protein source that's rich in calcium and vitamin B12, and can be used in many recipes. Cheddar cheese. Cheddar cheese is a low-carb, high-protein option that is also rich in calcium and vitamin D. Almonds. Almonds are a low-carb protein source, high in healthy fats, fiber, and vitamin E, which is essential for skin health. Pistachios. Pistachios are an excellent low-carb protein source, high in fiber and antioxidants, which promote heart health. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a low-carb protein source, high in magnesium and zinc, which support healthy immune function. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are a low-carb protein source, rich in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants, which promote overall health. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are a low-carb protein option, high in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are a low-carb protein source, rich in healthy fats, and packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Tofu. Tofu is a low-carb protein source, rich in calcium and iron, and a perfect meat substitute in many recipes. Beef jerky. Beef jerky is a low-carb protein option, rich in iron and zinc, and a perfect on-the-go snack. Bison. Bison is a low-carb protein option, leaner than beef, and rich in essential vitamins and minerals. Incorporating these high-protein, low-carb foods into your diet can help you maintain a healthy weight, improve your overall health, and manage your blood sugar levels. Don't forget to consult with a healthcare professional.